For this exercise, we want an open spot on the floor where we can stretch out, and then slide the bottoms of our feet up towards our body so the bottoms of our feet are touching and we have a stretch on the inner thighs. We'll then rest here for several minutes and allow our body to just gently loosen. Once we've loosened a bit here in the butterfly position, we'll start to raise our waist up off the ground. As we raise and hold, we'll need to make sure that we continue to breathe. As we breathe from this position, we likely will notice a little bit of a bounce or sway or some other motion here, particularly through the midsection. And again, that's by design. If we're able to, we're going to hold this position for about a minute, breathing the whole way through. Once we're done, if we need to rest down sooner, we can. But once we reach that minute point, we'll all rest down and just let the legs relax again and rest here in the butterfly a little bit longer. From there, we're going to start 3 raised positions. The first time is going to be to raise the knees just a little bit. We'll then hold this for at least 2 minutes if possible. We'll likely get some shaking, and that's okay. After those 2 minutes, we'll raise a second time, so our knees are almost halfway up now, and we'll continue to hold for several more minutes. We'll raise one final time, bring our knees so they're almost all the way up. Once we've held here, we'll then be able to turn our feet flat so they're touching the floor, keeping them pretty close together and letting our knees relax just slightly. From this position, we'll be able to work with that shaking mechanism and help progress it through the body. At any point, if we'd like a break, we can simply slide our legs out. This will help stop instantly or wind down pretty quickly. We can then always go back to where we were, or when we're done, we'll simply just roll to our side. Give ourselves a little bit of time here to integrate or rest with the work that we've just done. And then whenever we're completely set and ready to sit up from there, we can use our elbow and our hand to push ourselves up to a seated position, doing so nice and gently, allowing our blood pressure to adjust before we fully stand up.